love the way this wee cat looks, Hollywood and lime. Quite 80s looking. Look at their cool wee uniforms for the Hollywood Tower. I think we get something for Armageddon here. That is crazy looking. The wee smile it's got on its face. Sometimes on the way to work I'd love to drive something like this. Just knock everybody off the road. We're just about to go on Aerosmith. The front of it is pretty awesome looking. We're just about to go on the Armageddon special effects show. Looks like a wee astronaut trying to get in. He wants a wee shot.
Une dizaine de minutes ensemble avant de rejoindre deux plateaux de tournage pendant lesquels je vais vous expliquer en fait ce qui va vous arriver.
Good morning, comrade computer.
Bonjour, colonel anthropologue.
Open viewport alpha.
Protection déactivée.
What is generator status?
Générateur opérationnel.
Excellent.
Alerte. Objet non identifié approchant.
What is approaching?
Analyse initiée.
Open viewport beta.
Analyse indiquant média d'approche.
Activate the radar.
Radar activé. 1700 km. 800 km. 200 km. Média approchant. Dimension France.
No, that is big problem. This is disaster for Russian space station. Close viewport.
So what did you think of the Armageddon special effects show, Natalie?
It's really cool, it's really dark. Some of the smaller kids were a bit scared, so I wouldn't go on if they were tiny because it's a really dark room with big loud noises, but it was really fun.
Yeah, one thing I will say is just pay attention the whole time. It was good, really good. We just found Lightning McQueen and he's just won the Pistol Cup. He's here. Oh, it's not the Pistol Cup, it's the Piston Cup. Silly me. Look at Mr. Thomas just hiding in the bushes here, being very creepy.
Mr. Tumnus is not creepy.
Oh, he's creepy, look at him in the bushes.
No, he's not.
Not sure what this building is, but it just looks epic. Pseudo theatre in front of us, and then we just go down to here. This big building's got Disney Junior Live Stage and Stitch Live as well. We'll get the Beverly Co-op, cracking looking wee restaurant. You can just come in and sit just in front of Hollywood Tower. I wish we could book some stuff in this travel agents. It's glam, look at that. We could book just going on an adventure somewhere. Where would we go?
Florida.
Oh, we would go to Florida. How about sort of Paris?
There's nothing up with Paris, but I feel we should just go on a Disney tour.
Hi guys. How cracking is this fireplace? The wee dancing women on top. I don't even drink tea or coffee, but I want one of these. What do you think? I think Natalie wants to become Captain America.
I could well fit into this. I could.
Natalie wants us to get these two.
I don't understand why we can't get them. Chris is totally against it.
Natalie's just about to buy these. How cool are they? They're so cute.
I think it looks easy.
Wait a minute, it focuses.
Donald one, matching.
Oh aye, let me see it. Nah. So Natalie's new pins, we have Ursula, I Love You, and Stitch.
I'm so happy.
Goofy's out doing his meet and greet with everybody. Look at him, just having the time of his life. Check these out on the side of the shop. So we've got Buzz Lightyear up there. And then over here, Mickey Mouse. Ariel with what looks like the Titanic.
Definitely the Titanic.
We've got Lightning McQueen and some sort of bullet train. And what is it?
That's from the film.
Is that for the film?
It's got a face.
So it has. And then the last one, I think's Donald Duck.
It is, yeah.
Oh, this shop's amazing. Like moving snake, parrots. It's a pretty crazy shop, man. We got a talking tree.
Calling you a liar, stop talking to me, you watch that film.
I know. She's saying I'm a liar. Crank big fish tank. Another one over there. Oh, wee Mike Wazowski's here. He's about to go in and scare somebody. He is brilliant. They should help him on his way. I don't really know the code to get him into our world, so he's going to stay here unfortunately. It looks like humans are radiation. Stay away from them. We're just about to test the screen monitors, see if Natalie's got it in her to, well, it's for the scares, isn't it? Yeah, right on you go. Oh, it works! Woohoo! How cute is Dumbo? And Pinocchio. He's living his best life. Oh, I love these two. They look as if they're having a great time. Mickey! Is it just me, or does Donald look as if he's been on a diet? I'm sure Donald's a wee bit heavier on this. Oh, the genie. He's one of my favourite characters ever. We're just in the art of animation. Have a look at the old cartoon in the background here. Natalie's just about to make a cartoon for us the old school way.
Zoe trope.
Some old school Mickey. Look at him back in the day. Especially this one. Here's these skeletons we were just watching a wee second ago.
1929.
So here's just Crush Coaster. And we came in this morning in magic hours and read this.
It was actually a lot better than I expected to. It goes really slow and then all of a sudden it just goes bam, right into it and starts spinning around in a roller coaster. It's so fun.
Yeah, it is really good. But definitely, if you've got magic hours, we'd come in early and get it out the way. It gets really, really busy. We're going to go and try and ride it single rider and we'll let you know how we got on. Well, Crush Coaster's single rider is 40 minutes, so I don't think we're going to be doing that. Oh, just going to wee Luigi's garage.
Welcome, I am Buzz Lightyear.
And then Tomater. I love these things. They're like solid steel. Oh, look at Happy Man. I would love if my car had one of these hoods. I actually quite like the flames. We get the piston cup and radiator springs there in the distance. Lightning McQueen and Maida just chilling out here, watching the wacky races. How cool is this fountain? Look at all the champagne bottles. The wee rats with the champagne and the wee rats with all the water. Pretty cool. We're in, I don't know what this bit's actually called, but I'm just going to call it Ratatouille Land because there's a ride just in front of us and it's all done like France. That's all I can really say.
They're building this ride in Epcot in Florida.
So we're going to get this ride, well not we, but we'll just say Florida's us.
Just at the French Pavilion at the back, we're quite a way into making it, so it'll be cool to see what it's like before we go back to Florida.
We've also got the chef out of Ratatouille up here. Just about to go and ride the Ratatouille, but look at this queue. It goes all the way up the end of this street here. Well, we better get in it. So literally the park opened about an hour ago and we just came and ride Ratatouille, and thanks to Natalie we went and done single rider. Trust me, the queues were ridiculous. It said 5 minutes and the ride opened and the queues are now 50 minutes.
5 minutes for a single rider. We walked on and literally just walked through and got on.
Aye.
Not even 5 minute wait. So go on. You can't really talk to each other, so there's no point in going beside each other. So you might as well go on single
exactly.
rider if there is one.
Buzz Lightyear, Star Command, Space Ranger. What size is this guy? Now you get the parachutes going in the background there. Just head into their wee sort of Toy Story land. Is this Connects? Here is the fence.
Do you remember that?
I remember Connects. Check out the aeroplane and the army base for the parachutes, for the soldiers. Like I say, I think we'll maybe just send Natalie in this and I'll just film her. Aye, there you go. A cracking wee toy soldier army car. A wee paper aeroplane as well. And what are these? There's a wee guy doing lookout in the distance there. Got big Slinky Dog here. This is his Zigzag. We'll go on this later on when it's opened up. Just look at him sitting there, loving life. Got a massive ball here as well, and then we've got all the dominoes in the background. RC Racer 2. There is the RC coaster there. Sort of horseshoe looking thing. Rex has just came to play as well. And then we've got the quality wee monkeys up here.
Goodbye.
Goodbye monkeys. And on the way out of Toy Story Land, look at this. It's the barrel from the monkeys. Or the barrel, sorry, that the monkeys come in. That's pretty awesome. Oh aye. How was your parachutes?
It's really fun, like, it goes quite high, it's a bit of a jump at the top, but it's really fun, it's a fun ride for everyone.